I'm able to make a video of this thing on all 3 speeds. So, I'm gonna go ahead and start off with low. Oops. There we go. There's low. Was able to get special permission for this. Special thanks to the guy at the counter, which I'm not just gonna leave him anonymous. This is low speed. I did not turn on the thing. Oh well. Medium. Looks like one of the sockets are loose. Oh well. There's a lot of dust. I'm just gonna put it down low and just leave it on low. Not gonna show high because I don't want it to wobble that bad. So I'm just gonna leave it alone and just leave it like this. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, have a great rest of your day, folks. And I'm gonna leave this thing on low. So, peace.